Let's take a look at Hammerite Smooth and Hammered Hammerite. And let's see what the actual difference is. So here we have 2 tubs of Hammerite, one's smooth and one's hammered. So let me just quickly open them up for us. So on the left here I have the smooth, and on the right I have the hammered. So first I'll paint this bit of metal here with the smooth. Once I've painted that, on the right hand side here I'll use the Hammered Hammerite to paint this other piece of metal. And already, as you can see, you're already seeing the pitted in the Hammered Hammerite. Even after this few seconds, you normally start seeing it after about 10 to 20 seconds, that pitting, what gives the Hammered Hammerite that unique look. Now we're back after about 4 hours. Now you would be able to put another coat on here, I'm just going to leave it as is. It does take a few days to fully cure. However, after 4 hours you should be able to repaint and give it a second coat. So this is how the smooth looks. And we can see here, this is how the hammered looks. Let's take it outside and have a look what it looks like out there. So here we're in the full sun, and you can see the smooth is really flat and smooth, and the sun shines off it. And this is the hammered. That unique hammerite look with that pitting. This is in direct sun. So let's take it over into the shade. You can see it looks a little different in the shade. However, you can really see how smooth that is and how pitted the Hammered Hammerite looks. So that's the difference between the two, depending on what you want to use it on. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.